Hi everyone, this is Rucha Mehta, and this is a very special season of Training Live with Rucha Mehta. Today we have a very special guest, Sneha. We're just waiting for her to join. This is a very special season of bloggers and influencers, which we'll be taking live from Instagram. The two seasons which are running parallelly on Facebook and YouTube. It's the season one, which had all the celebrities which were part of. The season one contained 8 episodes. Season two, which is going on, had already completed 5 episodes. Today we had a very special guest, Sanjay Mittal, who was there for season two. So now Sanya has requested. So I'm just putting Sneha. Let me just put Sneha. So, Sneha, you're watching the show. I can see that. Can you please send a request, or let me just send you a request? One second, guys. I'm just sending her the request. This is season one of the blogger influencer episode, and she's an actress too. So I think I should keep mum till the time she joins, and I want her to take it forward and give her introduction as to what all she does. She's a multi-talented person. She has done even movies in different genres. So let me just see. I think I've got a request from her side. I'm just putting her. Okay, I think we have her. One second. So this particular season has 8 episodes starting from today. It will be coming live on Wednesday and Saturdays. Episode 1, which is today, will be going live. It's a small 15 to 20 minutes quickie show, which is the interview session with Sneha, and we will. So we have few people who have joined, and I think comment. Let me just send the request again to the first guest of the season, Sneha. Yes, it's a quickie chat show. It's just for 15-20 minutes, just talking about positivity, giving insights as to what she's doing during this time. And yes, she has joined, so we're just having her. Okay, let's put her. Thank you so much, guys. I'm reading out the messages too. Hi, Sneha.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay. I'm good.
It's a very special episode. This is a very special season of influencers, and while I was going through the profiles, I found your profile to be the very first influencing profile, because you have been doing so many things together. First of all, please tell us about yourself. Tell us as to what all you do and what have you done in movies as well.
Okay, so I'm yet to do a lot of things, I should say. So I started my journey with Channel V shows. I started with Gumrah, Confessions of an Indian Teenager, Halla Bol, Heroes, and then I stepped on to 2 films in the South, and one was a Kannada movie and one was Telugu. And then I just did a web series with Old Balaji, which is called Ragini MMS. And I've done music videos. I've done a video with Prabh Gill, Ashok Masti, Anadi, Karan. So yeah, I've done a lot of music videos, and I really enjoy doing that. Yeah.
Amazing. What inspires you the most?
I think me myself. Each day actually, so there's nothing in particular which inspires me. I adapt and get inspired with everyone. I must say, everyone has a particular quality which inspires someone or the not. It's on you which part or which ability or which thing you want to adapt from somebody. So there is not a person, but yeah, there are a lot of people who I get inspired by.
Yeah, I know that there are a lot of things which we find good, and we try to adapt few things from everybody.
Yes. So I don't like to say that I get inspired by a particular person. Yeah, I mean, I look up to a lot of people, but I think, it's always good to actually, take a little bit of things from here and there, and, it actually helps you grow as a person.
Yeah, right. So, since you have just said that you have done a lot of movies, a lot of regional movies,
Music,
can
more of music videos than anything else.
a lot of music videos. So,
Yeah.
Hindi music videos, and which all regional music videos you have.
The South, one is a Bangalore Kannada movie, and one is a Telugu film. Yeah.
So, how is it? I mean, how do you feel that that how is it they different from each other?
See, it's very different. That's what an actor has to do and go through these challenges. And I really love challenges. So during that time, I used to sit with the director, and we used to have translators there, and they used to actually explain the scene, the emotion, and then sit and actually understand the language, and then write it in Roman English, and then go and throw it on the camera. So it was not easy. It has been difficult to emote as well as memorize the lines, and then because honestly it gets dubbed, but you have to sync the dialogue, so it's not easy. It's actually difficult.
I know because see Hindi, of course I know. I'm a Punjabi though, but I
Oh,
just did a Punjabi video and would say I mean, it's difficult, and you are doing videos from different regions. Hats off to you. I mean, it's difficult. I can totally sense it, and I mean, if I think that I have to do some Telugu or Marathi, it would be difficult. It would be something which I really have to, cope up with. What's your biggest achievement till date?
Punjabi is still fine because we most of our songs and everything nowadays is Hindi and Punjabi.
Yeah.
Even in movies. So Punjabi is still okay, but to completely go down to South and speak that language, yeah, it is a task.
So, what's your biggest achievement till date?
Achievement?
Yes.
Um, Honestly, I think every time I do something, I take it as an achievement because because the biggest thing is yet to come. But I really value and respect every time I do some work, and whenever somebody gives me a applaud on the set saying that Sneha, you've done a wonderful job in this scene, or this is great, and I think all those are my achievements. And also I've been a hockey player, so yeah, I proudly tell everyone now that I played hockey for state, and I think that's one of my biggest achievements too, to be able to say that yes, I played this sport, which is not easy.
So, what are your upcoming projects?
See, honestly speaking, I really don't know. I have been signed up with T Series for like a well-known music video, but really don't know when it's going to start and all that. But yeah, gradually I'm going to be starting to uh, attend my meetings and all that because people are starting to work again with all safety precautions. So right now I honestly don't know what next because there are a lot of things lined up, but I don't know when. So it's not right to say. Right.
Neha, it's so difficult because even I signed a video, and the lockdown happened, and now I don't know. I mean, I don't know when we're gonna shoot, when I travel. I really don't know. But yes, I mean, I'm being optimistic. कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा.
Absolutely. We don't know is the right thing to say right now, and yeah, safety is important, health as well. So अगर health सही रहेगा तो ही shoot कर पाएंगे बाद में भी.
So, what's your
Yeah.
role?
What is it?
What's your dream role?
Um, I am a fan of watching some classic English movies. So, um, my dream roles are, some female-oriented stuff like what in Hindi, if in Bollywood, if you see, I really want to do something like what Rani Mukherjee did, what Vidya Balan did, what Kajol did, what Kangana did. So, I'm looking forward to do some kind of roles where I can actually, be the female protagonist and bang on. People remember that, oh, Sneha is that performer. So yeah, not in particular, but I would love to actually explore and try a lot of different characters. So yeah.
what is the best advice you have got till now? Something which you have inculcated in your, in your behavior and the way you, maybe the way you talk to other people. Some best advice.
Best advice is that keep going, no matter what happens. Don't give up, because one day it will happen. It might take time, but it will happen. And the other is that don't be very serious about things. Like don't be dead serious about life, because everything is temporary, and this will pass, and we have like a brighter picture later. Like right now, I can see a lot of people are actually going through a lot of. I don't want to use that word depression, but are sad, upset because of
True.
whatever. So what I would say is, at least look at that. Even if you have 1% of bright side in your life, if you're surviving, that means you are happy. Trust me, because right now there are a lot of people who are not so privileged to actually get what we are, to actually sit where I am sitting, where you're sitting, and actually we're unable to connect and talk. So I think a lot of people are not so privileged. So we must be happy and just try to, this will pass, or this has to pass. This can't be there forever. So just, just be with your family, your loved ones, and, take care of them. And I think we all together can do this.
So true.
My,
Yeah,
yeah.
because so many people, I mean, of people from middle age group, I mean, they are so much depressed because even people who are working, have their businesses, they are facing so many issues because of the lockdown. And it's been 3 months now. It's been 3 months. But yes, हर हर रात की सुबह होती है. I'm sure things will so just take one day at a time and be positive, guys. I'm sure things will be fine soon. So what do you do in your free time?
Okay, so the best thing which I've done in this lockdown is actually I took a course from NIFA, New York Film Academy.
Oh,
On
okay.
I'm doing that course. So in the daytime, I am absolutely busy with my assignments. There are a lot of filmmaking assignments which I have, and a lot of acting assignments which I have. I have to watch a lot of movies. So the best thing what I did was I could take this course, and my classes happen in the night because of the different time
Yeah.
zones. So I am awake in the night, and then in the day when I wake up, I start doing my assignments. So I'm very happy that I could do that. And around me also, I have actually gone through some bad news. People have, I heard some people dying around me and all that because of corona. It is heartbreaking, but it's not in our control, right? So all we can do is do the best for ourselves and for our loved ones. This is what I did. I help. I mean, I am with my family. I help my mom, and we have fun and all that. But apart from that, the best thing I could do is I could actually explore uh, in my acting skills, because that is what is my genre. That is what I want to do in my life. So I actually could explore in that area, and I learned a lot of things. My course is actually getting over next week, and I think in that 1 month I have learned so much that I am super happy about it. So yeah,
Wow.
that's the. And apart from that, when the lockdown started, I started by making content, and I was doing a lot of stuff on Instagram. And then after a while, I got bored and tired, and then I'm like, now I want to do something which is really productive. And then I took this course. So the course has really helped me a lot. It's amazing that I actually took that decision.
We have also seen your fitness videos. One fitness advice you want to give to all the viewers.
See, I know, even I not motivated to get up and actually do my workout during the lockdown, because दिमाग थोड़ा काम नहीं कर रहा है सबका. But have to push yourself, because that's the only thing we can do. You yourself can do it for yourself.
True.
We can like I can only advise and tell my friends that do this, do that, and aisa karo. I can only post my fitness videos and motivate you all. But you yourself have to prepare in your mind that mujhe ye karna hai. Then only you will be able to do it. So I think we all need to really be strong in our heads to face this. And I would say that if you'll actually work on your fitness in the lockdown period, and once when the lockdown gets over and you're out, people will be really shocked and surprised to see a different you. And change is always good. So I think, yeah, because I know lockdown में सब खा रहे पी रहे, they're just
I know.
chilling.
Relaxing. चलो सही है, कोई बात नहीं, थोड़े सो जाते हैं, उठते हैं, खाते हैं, that's it.
Right, yeah. But कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, so we have to be prepared as actors also. So yeah, preparation तो हाँ, at least I know that fitness कभी कभी miss हो रहा है, तो I know that at least I'm working on my skills. So
Yeah, we have people who are saying, yeah, हम यही कर रहे हैं. Ha, yeah, yes, we are doing this. I mean, so many people are writing the same. But yes, we have to remain fit. I mean, वापस तो जाएंगे ना काम पे, काम तो करना ही है. So we have to be fit. Okay, so I have fun. My team has prepared some rapid fire questions, which I'll just put it across and see how fast you can answer. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, what's your guilty pleasure?
what is my
Guilty pleasure.
rasgulla?
Okay. Your favorite holiday destination?
Uh, Switzerland.
Oh, okay. That's mine too. Your, your favorite cuisine, food cuisine?
Sorry. What do I like? Oh shit, I don't know what I like.
I mean, some cuisine which you like. Matlab, I like Mexican.
Mexican is okay. I think so.
Okay. Okay. Your dream co-star?
Um, Shah Rukh Khan.
Wow.
हिंदी में शाहरुख खान, इंग्लिश में लियोनार्डो.
Wow. I think ये सभी का है. Okay. Web series or
होगा.
yeah. Web series or movies?
Both.
अगर एक चूज करना हो तो दोनों के ऑफर
Movies.
even yeah.
Greedy girl.
Okay, so beach or mountains?
Beach.
Favorite movie?
Godfather.
Godfather. Okay. Song? I mean, some song which is your stress buster song. कुछ ऐसा गाना?
I like Deadbed.
Okay. और हिंदी में?
Hindi no. Nowadays I'm listening to Allu Arjun's Telugu song, the new film. Yeah. So yeah, I like that Telugu song a lot. I keep listening.
Can you sing?
Oh God, it's very difficult. It's Telugu. It's called Samaj Varagamana. It's a very new film with Pooja Hegde. It's a nice film. Yeah, it's a nice. Yeah.
Laid back or always on the edge? Are you a laid back person or
I'm on the edge.
Always on? Okay. Would you rather go for big project or would like to work for smaller projects? A lot of smaller projects.
See, if the script is good, I'm okay with working in small projects too. Depends on the content. For me, content is important more than the banner, I feel.
Okay. So, अब हम चाहेंगे कि आप कुछ गाना गा के सुनाओ.
Oh God, why? I'm not a singer, yeah.
Just 1 or 2 lines, just for the viewers. Something which you can sing. अरे आप तो भाग गए.
हाँ, मैं भाग गई because मैं गाना नहीं गा सकती.
No, just some songs is very close to heart.
Yeah, why are you making me sing, yeah?
गा दो कोई बात नहीं. I'll sing with you. Maybe any of your I mean something with the song which you like. Maybe कोई भी हिंदी song.
दो ही लाइन गाऊंगी.
ठीक है, done.
I'll sing my music video.
Sure.
Music video.
Sure.
मैं दिल वाली गल तेरे आगे रख दी, बाकी तेरी मर्जी है. मैं दिल वाली गल तेरे आगे रख दी, नहीं बाकी तेरी मर्जी है. Now nobody is ever going to call me to like even try for singing.
I have people who have said that, and before you sung, people said Marzi, Sneha, let's please sing Marzi. See, and it was not bad. I mean, it was really good.
Okay, thank you.
सुर की जरूरत नहीं थी, सिर्फ गाने की जरूरत थी, and I'm sure आपने बहुत अच्छा गाया.
Thank you.
So okay. So before we end the show, any special message to the viewers, because it was a very short and crisp show for everybody, just to spread positivity, smile, and like everybody's are facing issue during this time. Some special message you want to tell. I mean, you want everybody to
I'm reading these
comments.
comments.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of people have commented. So, I mean, let me just take few comments also. Somebody has Disha has written, आप मुंबई आ सकते हैं, आपने बहुत अच्छा गाया.
इन आइडल चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
लग तो ये लग तो ये है.
I like that song. I mean, Teri Marziya is a good song. So, like, all my fans know I really like that song a lot. Yeah.
So we have a lot of people who have commented, and so any special message? I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's very difficult to read all the comments. So any special message you want to give to the viewers and everybody, just say something which you think that will help them in remaining positive.
I spoke about this in my last interview as well, and I want to stick to that because it actually is what I feel every day, and I don't want to my statement. What I said is that, you know, right now at this point of time in our lives, we all are facing a lot of problems, and you know, सबका दिमाग खराब चल रहा है, किसी का सही नहीं चल रहा है. All I want to say is, if you can survive this pandemic, if you all can actually survive this situation, we'll be able to survive anything in our lives, because you know ये बहुत बड़ा exam है हम लोग का. So what I would say is, if you're surviving at this moment with a smile on your faces, that means, you know, we've already आधा तो हम war जीत चुके हैं. So that is what I want to say. कि survival is the biggest thing right now. अगर and don't be very serious about anything यार, सब सही है, मतलब temporary है सारा कुछ जो हो रहा है. Once everything is fine, we all will be fine. Vaccinations आ रही है, सब कुछ चल रहा है, everything, people are working on it, because घर किसी को भी नहीं बैठना है. And also, if you all are actually working from home, and if you all actually have opportunities from home, you all are very lucky, because there are people who are not working and are unemployed. So I think just look at the brighter side and be happy. Don't focus on the negative side, focus on the positive side. That what we don't have right now is opportunities to go out and work, but what we have, let's focus on that. I think that can make us happy, because I do that and it really keeps me alive.
So thank you so much, Sneha, for taking out time today and on the special season of Trending Live with Richa Mehta. Thank you so much, the Powered by Partners Ramathan Group, Ritik Kashyap Films, and Sham Creations. Thank you so much, Sneha. Stay in touch.
Thank you. Bye, Richa.
Bye.
It was lovely.
Same here. Bye.